What happens to your body when you eat oatmeal every day? Oats are one of the best grains for your health. They're a type of grain that doesn't contain gluten and is full of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and things that help your body fight sickness. But what exactly happens to your body if you include oats in your daily meal? Let's find out in this video. 1. You'll have a healthier gut. Oatmeal is good for your gut because it helps the good bacteria in there grow. When your gut has lots of good bacteria, it helps your body stay healthy by making your immune system stronger, improving your mood and digestion, and stopping diseases. A study from 2021 in the Journal of Nutrition showed that eating oats can increase the good bacteria in your gut, making oatmeal a healthy breakfast choice for your heart and gut. Eating a variety of plant foods like oats is also good for your gut because it keeps the bacteria diverse and healthy. 2. Can help you feel fuller. When asking if oatmeal is good for you, a lot of the focus is on its fiber content. According to Emily Dankers, who's an expert in nutrition, oatmeal is a whole grain that's rich in fiber, especially a type called soluble fiber. Soluble fiber slows down your digestion, making you feel full for longer. The main kind of soluble fiber in oats is called Beta-Glucan. A study published in the journal Nutrition Reviews showed that Beta-Glucan can make you feel more satisfied. For instance, one research found that eating old-fashioned or instant oatmeal made people feel more in control of their appetite for about 4 hours compared to eating other breakfast cereals. Adding ingredients like nuts, which are rich in protein and fat, to your oatmeal can also help you stay full for longer, says Rachel Paul, a nutrition expert. This means you can focus on your tasks without getting hungry, again too soon. Eating filling breakfasts like oatmeal regularly can bring some consistency to your daily routine. 3. You'll get benefits from vitamins and minerals. Oatmeal gives you important nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and iron. Magnesium is good for your heart and brain, zinc helps your immune system, and iron gives you energy. Oatmeal also has vitamin B6, which is important for avoiding carpal tunnel syndrome, says UCLA Health. A half cup of oatmeal has as much protein as a large egg. You can boost the protein even more by adding nuts, protein powder, nut butters, or milk to your oatmeal, says Nutritious Life. For an extra protein kick, try mixing an egg into your oatmeal. After a tough workout, oatmeal is one of the best foods to help your muscles recover and give your body the energy it needs, according to Food Network. 4. Normal blood sugar levels. If you ask people what comes to mind when they hear diabetes, many might say blood sugar. While it's crucial for diabetics to manage their blood sugar, even those without diabetes can benefit from keeping their levels steady. Oats can play a role in this. Diabetes affects how the body handles glucose, according to the American Diabetes Association. In non-diabetics, insulin helps cells absorb glucose, but in diabetes, either the body doesn't make enough insulin, type 1, or it can't use it effectively, type 2, leading to high blood sugar levels. Prediabetes, where blood sugar is elevated but not yet at diabetic levels, is also common and can progress to type 2 diabetes. The good news, according to WebMD, is that the soluble fiber in foods like oatmeal can help stabilize blood sugar levels, benefiting both diabetics and those with prediabetes. Oats and oat bran may also help lower bad cholesterol in people with diabetes. 5. You'll have easier time in the toilet. Oats have a special kind of soluble fiber called Beta-Glucan. This fiber forms a gel-like substance in your gut, which helps things move smoothly through your digestive system and keeps you regular. It also helps bulk up your stool, making it easier to have a bowel movement later on. Adding foods with insoluble fiber, like sliced apples with the peel, nuts, or blackberries to your oatmeal can also aid digestion and make bathroom trips easier. 6. Controlled cholesterol levels. You've probably seen products boasting about being heart healthy because they contain oats. It's true that oats can benefit your heart in several ways, such as lowering cholesterol. But when it comes to managing cholesterol, it's important to understand more than just the idea that cholesterol is bad. According to the Cleveland Clinic, cholesterol itself isn't inherently bad. Your body actually needs it for tasks like producing hormones and building cell membranes. However, having high levels of LDL cholesterol, known as low-density lipoprotein, can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries, raising the risk of conditions like coronary artery disease and cerebrovascular disease. In severe cases, high cholesterol can even cause an aortic aneurysm, where the body's largest artery bulges and may rupture, posing a serious threat to life. If you're worried about your cholesterol, the Mayo Clinic suggests that the soluble fiber in oatmeal can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. To jazz up plain oatmeal, adding a banana can boost your fiber intake. Apples and pears are also tasty sources of soluble fiber that can enhance the flavor of your oatmeal. 7. Can help you manage weight easier. In addition to its many health benefits, research suggests that oatmeal can also aid in weight loss and management. A review published in Foods in 2021 found that oat Beta-Glucan can help reduce hyperglycemia, lower blood lipid levels, and contribute to weight loss. The fiber in oatmeal helps you feel full and satisfied, which can lead to consuming fewer calories throughout the day and better weight management. Additionally, Beta-Glucan may stimulate the release of peptide YY, a hormone in the gut that promotes feelings of fullness. 8. You'll get more vitamin B1. Sometimes, it can be tricky to determine if something is a vitamin. While it's obvious when a nutrient has vitamin in its name, like vitamin C, it's not always so clear-cut. Even products labeled as multivitamins might contain minerals such as iron. While you could just consider all nutrients as equal and not worry about categorizing them, understanding these distinctions can be crucial for your health. Take thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, for instance. According to the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, thiamine is vital for your body's cells. Not having enough of this vitamin can negatively affect your heart and brain because B vitamins in general are essential for your body's energy production, as noted by Medline Plus. Your heart and brain rely on steady energy to function properly. Fortunately, whole grains like oats can help your body absorb the thiamine it needs, as stated by the National Institutes of Health NIH Office of Dietary Supplements. The recommended daily intake of thiamine varies, but in general, men should aim for 1.2 milligrams daily, and women for 1.1 milligrams daily, according to the NIH Office of Dietary Supplements. Whole grain steel-cut oats contain thiamine, 0.334 milligrams, as well as other B vitamins such as niacin, biotin, folate, and B6, according to the USDA. 9. May help lower inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems, such as metabolic disorders, elevated triglyceride levels, and weight gain. Eating oatmeal regularly could help lower your risk of these issues. Many studies have found that oats have anti-inflammatory properties, thanks in part to the beta-glucan they contain. 10. You may live longer. Oatmeal is considered one of the top foods for a longer, healthier life. A study published in the Nutrition Journal showed that oats can reduce the risk of autoimmune diseases, heart disease, and weight gain. Additionally, including whole grains like oats in your diet regularly has been linked to lower mortality rates, as confirmed by the American Heart Association. But how much oatmeal is too much? While having oatmeal every day might sound great for boosting energy and reducing hunger, it's possible to have too much of a good thing. According to the Mayo Clinic, it's advised to limit daily fiber intake to 21 to 25 grams for women and 30 to 38 grams for men. If you're not used to eating that much fiber regularly, adding too many high-fiber foods to your diet too quickly can lead to gas and bloating. To avoid digestive issues, try gradually increasing your fiber intake over time and make sure to drink plenty of fluids to support healthy digestion. How to include more oatmeal in your diet. Start by selecting the type that fits your routine. Advises simply oatmeal. Steel-cut oats take about 25 to 30 minutes to cook, while old-fashioned oats only need 5 minutes on the stove. Quick oats cook in just 1 minute, and instant oats can be microwaved in 90 seconds, according to Good Housekeeping. If you liked today's video, share it with your loved ones and give this a like. Thanks for watching.